slide through. When we touch it feels good. For this night I want is you, yeah. Tell me what to do. Will you let me slide through? When we touch it feels good. For this night I want is you, yeah. Baby tell me, yeah. Baby tell me.
Hello guys, so sa video na ito is I will break down a pop song that I've mixed recently. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so right now I am inside of my Pro Tools session. I will do a quick preview to this track using sections. First is I will play the verse first, and then the pre, and then the main chorus.
See you walking down the street. I see your eyes looking back at me. I know it sounds a little crazy, but baby, please, yeah. Can you give me your time? Tryna make you mine. Babe, I ain't gon' lie, but you look so fine. Girl, I can't deny when I saw your face. I just wanna kiss you, can you give me a taste? Look at this game, she wouldn't want it go to waste. All them other ladies tryna front, but you look so different, yeah. You look so elegant, yeah. You got my eye and I ain't gon' lie. Baby, just give me a chance with you tonight.
Alright, so the first thing I did was I tuned all of the vocals sa Melodyne, and then I printed it na merong auto-tune na kasama. And then I exported it back here sa session. And as you can see in this session, nakaroute na lahat ng vocals into their designated buses. Maybe I will make a video kung paano to gamitin itong Pro Tools guys, kasi Pro Tools is a very complex software. Napakarami mong pipindutin, but it's really good using this in mixing.
Hey girl, I see you walking down the street. I see your eyes looking back at me. I know it sounds a little crazy, but baby, please, yeah. Can you?
So for the verse vocals, ito yung vocal chain niya. Basically, this is my typical vocal chain na always ko ginagamit, just like sa mga past video tutorials na ginawa ko. First plugin is stock EQ lang ng Pro Tools. Nag-low cut ako and then I boost a little bit sa my top end.
Hey girl, I see you walking down the street. I see your eyes looking back at me.
Next is SSLE channel. A little bit boosting sa highs, mids, and slight decrease sa my low end. I also added a little bit of compression dito.
Hey girl, I see you walking down the street. I see your eyes looking back at me.
Next is our compressor. Very subtle lang to balance the tone of the vocals.
Hey girl, I see you walking down the street. I see your eyes looking back at me.
Next up is LA76. Very fast release, medium attack, and a 4:1 ratio.
Hey girl, I see you walking down the street. I see your eyes looking back at me.
Sunod naman is CLA2A. Like I always said sa mga videos ko, I always use this to glue the overall sound ng dalawang compressor na nauna.
Hey girl, I see you walking down the street. I see your eyes looking back at me.
Next naman is Doubler 2. I like to widen up the vocals a little bit.
Hey girl, I see you walking down the street. I see your eyes looking back at me. I know it sounds a little crazy, but baby, please, yeah. Can you give me your time?
Next is Gem Dopamine. Ito yung nag-a-add ng crispiness sa vocals. I recently made a video all about adding color and saturation sa vocals. Check na lang ang link sa description below.
Hey girl, I see you walking down the street. I see your eyes looking back at me. I know it sounds a little crazy, but babe.
Next is a de-esser, Pro DS. Syempre, nag-add tayo ng saturation sa vocals, so we need to cut the harsh S's by using this.
Hey girl, I see you walking down the street. I see your eyes looking.
Next is my sense naman tayo. I have here my reverb and delay. I used Valhalla plate sa reverb.
Hey girl, I see you walking down the street.
And then sa delay, I use the Waves H delay na naka-quarter note, ping pong, and high cut.
Hey girl, I see you walking down the street. I see your eyes looking back at me. I know it sounds a little crazy, but baby, please, yeah. Can
Alright, so moving on naman tayo sa may background vocals ng verse.
Ooh, yeah. We got this chemistry, want it, go to waste. You.
The vocal chain dito is the same lang from the main vocals, but I added metaflanger, tas naka super spread out yung doubler 2, and I lowered it down para di siya mag-clash sa main vocals.
We got this chemistry, want it, go to waste. You.
And for the pre-chorus naman, what I did dito was I adjusted yung reverb and delay niya. I increased it a little bit.
Just with you tonight. 'Cause girl, my honey, girl, my love, you're the only one I will give you mine. Oh. 'Cause girl, my honey.
And also for the chorus, the same lang ng vocal chain from the verse vocals. And meron din itong hook background vocals, which is the same din ng vocal chain from the verse background effects. So once I got the vocal chain set, all I did na lang was balancing and making the levels right para mag-fit siya sa beat or the instrumental.
Tell me what to do. Will you let me slide through? When we touch it feels good. For this night I want is you. Yeah. Tell me what to do. Will you let me slide through? When we touch it feels good. For this night I want is you. Yeah. Tell me, yeah. Baby, tell me, yeah. Baby, tell me, yeah. Baby, tell.
Alright, so that is basically it guys kung paano mag-mix ng pop vocals. Don't worry if nalito kayo sa Pro Tools routing ko and other stuff na nandito sa Pro Tools. I will make a video on how to use Pro Tools soon. So if nakahelp itong video sa inyo, please like the video and make sure that you are subscribed and turn on the bell notifications para updated ka if naglabas ako ng new video. Thanks for watching guys. Happy mixing and bye bye.